Soil conservation. Prevention of soil from erosion is called soil conservation. Here are some ways we can conserve soil and how it can help us. Plant more trees in place of the ones being cut down. Trees can be planted in areas that have few or none. Plants help to hold the soil in place. They also slow the flow of water down a slope. Trees also help break the force of raindrops falling on the soil. Avoid overgrazing by cattle. This means that we should not allow the cattle to graze in the same area for a long period of time. Practice crop rotation by growing different kinds of crops in the same field in different seasons. Different crops require different kinds of nutrients. Thus, crop rotation maintains the fertility of soil. Build embankments, a wall of stone or earth made to keep the water in the river along the river banks. This prevents the fertile topsoil from getting carried away during floods. This also saves the crops from getting damaged. Stop the soil in hilly areas from flowing down by creating terrace fields. This prevents the soil from being carried down the hill during heavy rainfall.